Manipur की thokliba Irang Asida Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch na Ching amasung anida meeoiba khunnai gi damak mangjil thana Loukhiba Thoudangsing adu Thagatningaini haina Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokkhre. Wafam asing ase Keeping Humanity Alive haiba theme da Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch IRCS MSP na silaga Imphal gi MG Avenue da pangthokpa World Red Cross Day 2025 ki tharom du mahakna phongdokhiba ne. IRCS MSP की Vice President ओइदिबा retired IAS RK Mai यावना पांथोकबा थौरम अदुदा IRCS Manipur State Branch की President ओइदिबा Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hai मसागी सांगलबा पुवारी लैबगी अमसों cultural diversity da inang khule haina chawthokchariba Manipur da tungan makhagi singnaba kayamarum mayoknari singnaba sing asege manungda humanitarian issue amasong natural calamities na achobu mafam kale Manipur के Red Cross Society da awat apa kaya leirabaso hairiba singnaba sing ase thengkhang kaya da mioiba khunai gi da makhathok lakle masida sunatana lenga ki administration da so achobu mating ama pangma ngamle Manipur की thokliba Irang Asida so Red Cross Society Manipur da mioiba khunai gi da mangjil thaduna thoudang kaya lokhe maru oina Irang asigi chaitheng nanglaba Ching amasung animakta relief material yanthokpa makhoi gi da free medical camp pangthokpa inmates singi awat apa yingsing diba amate Irang asida asok apan nanglaba mioi kya gi punsi kanbada achobu mateng pangkhe Manipur ase landslide amasung flood toina thokan bus state ama oiba maramna Red Cross Society gi volunteer sing mapung fana sem sabagi tangai fate asigumba mioiba khunai gi service asida hawalakliba naha sing su yakon bechungkane IRCS Manipur State Branch na paikhalakpa thabak thoram singda mahak amate laingak na so angam mateng pangkani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na makata na phongdokhe thoram aduda World Red Cross Day 2025 ka mari laidana thabum ama chupna mairoi singi tamak pangthorakhiba tungan ba competition kayagi makok mathang takraba singda manam mathum singsu lanthokhe
for the good cause of this organization, and I wish that organization should be able to invite more such donors, more such patrons, and will continue to do the good work. I wish to congratulate the outstanding work done by volunteers and staff of Manipur State Branch of the Indian Red Cross Society, whether it was during the floods last year, the pandemic, or many health and awareness campaigns across our hills and valleys. Their swift response, dedication, and humane approach have been exemplary. They have been true ambassadors of the Red Cross spirit, serving with humility and commitment in the remotest corners of our state. Despite the constraints this organization faces, it has done very well keeping its resources in view.